Here's a 2017 BMW X3. Whether your instincts lead you to unpaved roads or just down the to-do list, this X3 delivers on what you need. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: auto-dimming rearview mirror, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, automatic transmission, driver memory seats, power liftgate, external memory control, aluminum wheels, rear-wheel drive, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend reports with newfound suppleness to its suspension setup, greater agility, stronger performance, reduced thirst, and expanded roominess, the X3 feels much more like something conceived in Munich should. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.